In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload video in Miro. To begin, open Miro in your web browser and go to your dashboard. From here, you will want to enter a board where you can add content. If you already have a board open, that is fine. Otherwise, create or open a new board so you are looking at the main canvas area. This is the workspace where you can place text, shapes, images, and media like video. Once your board is open, take a moment to confirm you are in the right place by looking for the large open canvas in the center of the screen. If the canvas looks zoomed in or cluttered, you can use your mouse wheel or trackpad to zoom out slightly. This makes it easier to see where you are placing items as you work. Next, locate and click on Highlight. This option is typically part of the tools you can use on the board, and selecting it helps you draw attention to a specific area on your canvas. When you click Highlight, your cursor behavior will change so you can mark or emphasize content. As you use Highlight, keep your strokes clean and intentional. Highlighting works best when you use it to guide attention, such as pointing to where the video will appear on the board after you upload it, or calling out a section of the canvas where you want viewers or collaborators to focus. If you make a mark in the wrong spot, use the undo command to quickly remove it and try again. Staying organized on the canvas will make your board easier to understand, especially if you are sharing it with a team. After you have selected Highlight and made any emphasis marks you need, you can continue working within the board as usual. The key takeaway is that you start by opening the board where the video will be added, and then you use the Highlight tool to clearly indicate important areas on the canvas as you build your layout. And that covers everything you need to know.